Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel BORGOYARY's blog. This video is going to be something different because it is taken midnight and right now I am in Dhaligaon. This is Brotherhood Recording Studio, which is situated in Dhaligaon Chirang district, and I am here for some other project that I will tell you later on. But now I am bringing to you something different, that is a flute melody which will be played by my friend Stipan Narzary. He is from Sorailbi, from Kokrajhar district. He is going to play a melodious. Tarmane ang bungno nagirdों da नोंथांमोना मोनसे सिफुंनि रैसुमै देंखो खोनानो मोनगोन. दा बेखिनियावनो बे सिफुं सुनाया जोबबाय. At this time, this video has ended, and we are doing this in Brotherhood Studio. For any songs you want to come for recording, anybody is interested for recording songs or any movie, film, voice dubbing or music dubbing, you can come to here. This is Dhaligaon's Brotherhood Recording Studio. So you can come here, and this is owned by renowned professional guitarist Zengma Bromo. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye, and see you in next video. Bye bye.